Okay, hey everybody. It is the same day where I just shot my first anamorphic. I'm at the same place, the West Morgan Park. It's about 10:07 in the morning. Today is Saturday, August 16th, 2025. And what I got now is my macro lens. And I've been wanting to do a few little tests on it, so I figure, hey, just as good to go ahead and do both videos, right? So right now, this log you should be seeing, and this should be in absolute clarity. Hopefully, anyway, that's my plan. Now as I come up, now most of that will still be in focus, but the stuff out that you see through there, that should not be exactly in focus. That should be out of focus, okay? Now if I take and I turn this lens, all of this out there in the distance will come into focus. And so everything should be in focus, and I drop back down. Even this will have somewhat of focus around it, but as I pull it back it should get better. So that's one of the tests. Let's go do some more. Okay, now this test is the same. That should be really good into focus, especially this section right in here. That should be in really good focus. Okay, so what I'm going to do, as I pull out here, you should see that things are a little bit blurry, but as I turn this, everything should become more and more in focus. You can see we got some bug out there running around on the screen to where everything's in focus. Okay, so that should be pretty cool. And if I bring it back into the same tree and I'm too close to it, this should be fairly blurry here, and then everything out there should be in focus. I hope that works. Okay, about here, this big fungi should be in focus, okay? Maybe even up to about that point, but it should be losing some focus now. As I stay this close to it, and I come up over top of it. Now some of that will be in focus further out. Alright, then look, as I go away from it, now all of it should be in focus. And if I come around to it like this, pretty much, because it's supposed to focus on macro within 4.33 inches. And I'll see if that does it, and then see as I get too close to it like this, go back around it the other way, this should not be in focus. Now some of it further out should be, but this closest part definitely should not be in focus at all. Now, you see as I turn the lens this way, everything should be in focus everywhere. And then if I go like this, there, now this whole mushroom should be in focus, and everything out there should not be in focus at all, including that tree over there. Alright, now I'm starting out here several feet from that little white snowball fungi there, and it should be out of focus. Some of these leaves up close should be in focus. Okay, but as I get closer to that, you should see it come into focus. So let's move and do it. About there, it should be in pure focus right there. As I go up over top of it. And then let's go around it. Alright, and then as we're looking down on it, it should be in focus itself, but things out there in the distance should not be. And now once again, as I turn this lens, everything should be coming into focus completely. Alright, and with that, we should have pure focus everywhere, on everything. Alright, hopefully that worked. Okay, so down here below us is a red leaf just laying there, and it was laying like that when I came upon it. And so this is not a setup shot. This is just what nature offered me, okay? And so what I'm going to do, I'm in the macro mode right now, and this should be pretty much out of focus. But as I come down here, I should be in focus now, and it should just get sharper and sharper. But once I cross that 433 inch line, it should go back out of focus, at least in parts. And there you go. So part of that should be in focus and part of it not. So we'll see if that works. Alright, I'll see if I can find and think of anything else to do. Now once again, there's a gigantic fungi down there. That should pretty much be out of focus. Probably maybe a little bit of it is in, because it's in the exact science. But I'm going to get down here. As we get closer and closer here, you can see that it should start becoming more in focus. There's a mad bee down here. And that all should be in focus. Isn't that a cool fungi? Now let me go around it, and I'll go out to where it's in focus, and then the second way around it should be out of focus, okay? Alright, now is that a cool fungi or what? Man, I really like that. Now here, as I'm up here and seeing as I spin this now, everything is definitely in focus. I mean everything. But that's pretty cool. And see, as I go back into macro, most of that background will go out of focus. The fungi should be in focus, and now as I pull out, things should be out of focus around it, but as I slowly come up and spin this, more and more is coming into focus, and everything should be in focus by now. And that's full right there. Alright, so how did that go? Hopefully that went well. I'm going to head on out of here, and in fact here, I'm going to put this back on macro to where a lot of this as I'm walking should be not so much in focus. Hopefully. But hopefully you like this test. It'll be a first for me. I've used this macro lens a few times, shot some flowers and things, but I haven't really tested it in this manner since I've had it. I've only had it about a month or so. So hopefully between this and the Anamorphic Lens, I can start making a lot more better creative videos and things that more of you will like to really see. So we'll find that out. Let me know in the comments, please, and tell me what did you think about this test, just like the Anamorphic one. If you watched that, if you haven't, go back and watch it, please, and give me your thoughts on that, because I really want to know what you're seeing on your screens, whether you're watching this on a phone, computer, laptop, desktop, or TV, whatever, and see what you think about it, and see how, how they add to my videos and make them better, and make you want to watch more. So let me know about that. I would appreciate it. Take care of yourself. I'll see you on the next video.